Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade sweetened condensed milk. So the next time you run out, you don't have to run to the store. You can make your own at home. Stay tuned. In a heavy bottom pot over medium heat, I'm adding some whole milk, cow's milk. You have to use a heavy bottom pot for this recipe. It's highly recommended. I've never used evaporated milk for this recipe, always whole milk. I'm going in with some granulated sugar. I'm going to stir to dissolve. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, I'm going to keep stirring. You have to stir this constantly to prevent lumps. Scraping down the sides, take a little work, but it's worth it. In just a couple of minutes, you're going to have your very own homemade condensed milk. You will notice the color starts to change. Just keep scraping on the sides and keep stirring to prevent lumps. We're getting there. It has been reduced to less than half. I added some baking soda, just a pinch. The baking soda will help to thicken the condensed milk. You don't want to boil this down till it's too thick, because condensed milk, as it cools, it gets really thick and you don't want it to be too thick. You want the right consistency. This is perfect, guys. I'm going to let the foam settle a bit. I'm going to let this cool down slightly. Then I'm going to pour this out and let you see what it looks like. Look at the color. It is perfect. Has that yellowish tinge. That is what we're looking for. This is perfect. You can use this in your punch, your porridge, your cake, your ice cream, etc., etc. Look at that. I'm gonna pour this out, let you see what's going on. Look at that, guys. Ain't it a beauty? It is perfect. It is perfect. So the next time you're making something that calls for condensed milk and you so happen to run out, you don't have to rush off to the store, honey. You can make your very own at home. Thank you for watching.